Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is the 16th video of a playlist for cloning a Disney Plus website using MERN. In this video, we are going to continue making the watch page, and that is the trailer, and we will start making the admin page. So the first thing we are going to do, or we are going to continue, is making or completing the watch page. Go to your watch.jsx inside of the page, and in here, to add the trailer to this page, I'm going to make a new component inside of this component, and that's going to be trailer.jsx. And also, or maybe we are not going to edit trailer. Oh yeah, the trailer. And then we are going to make trailer item.jsx. I'm going to write proxy for both of this, so then the file will have the basic structure of the React file. We will save and save. Now let's comment out this movie list and change this to trailer. For the movie, this was not going to be a list, it's going to be movie and then equal to movie. Save. And now let's go to the trailer.jsx, and here we are going to get the movie that the watch page.jsx already passed to this file. And then after we get the data, we are going to replace this with a React fragment, and then make a new div here with a class name equal to, and for the class name is going to have flex, or the display is going to be flex. For the flex direction is going to be column, and it will have class equal to trailer container, and then margin y is equal to 5, and then relative. For the position, for the margin bottom is 10, and then instead of here we will have h1 not hi. That h1 is going to have class name equal to, for the font size is going to be 2xl, and for the font weight is going to be semi-bold. For the text align is going to be left, margin left is 5, and then for the text is going to be trailer. Below the trailer we will have the div that is going to contain the trailer. For the div class name is going to be it's going to be trailer item container. Wait, let me see inside of the movie list, and here I'm going to zoom in. It's not in here, it is inside of the movie list inside of the client, and here we have movie container. Okay, so this was going to be the trailer list, and for this one is going to be trailer container, and also I was going to make it trailer list, and for the name of the function is going to be trailer list 2. Save. Yes, it will automatically change the import inside of the watch.jsx here. So if you go to the top here, we get the trailer list, and also in here we're supposed to import trailer list, not trailer anymore. Trailer list, save. Now we are good to go. After this, after the trailer container, it will have, for the block, for the display, it's going to be a flex. For the flex wrap is no wrap. For the justify content is going to be start. For the margin left is 16, and then instead of here we will import the trailer item, since the trailer just one for some movie, so I will just make it one in here. For the item is equal to movie, and for the style class, for the style class so we will need this, or no, or we don't need this. So go to, after we are making the trailer list, you can go to the trailer item, and then instead of here, you will get the item, and then below here, or inside of the return, I'm going to change it to just a React fragment, and then instead of the React fragment, we will have div with a class name equal to, supposed to be a closing div. The class name is going to be featured item, and the relative is width equal to 40, where the margin right is 2, for the hover, when it is hover, it will have a scaling is equal to 115, and for the hover, it's going to be, when it's hover, it's going to have set equal to 999. Instead of this div, we will have the image. So in here, we're going to have image. This image is will be a self-closing tag image, and that image is going to have src, or the source, equal to the item.img, or image jumbotron, and then for the alt is equal to item.title. For the class is going to be rounded is md, width is full, and when it's hover, it will not. Something like this. Alt shift F to verify it. After the image, we will have a div. Wait a second. A div with a class name equal to trailer list item details, or maybe I can just make it movie list item details, so then we can apply the same style to these details. And it's going to be div, and it should be, and where in here it should be movie list item, and for inside of the details, after the movie list item details class, we will have the display is going to be flex direction is going to be column, for the justify content is going to be n, for the opacity is going to be 0 for now, for the top is going to be 40 for now, and for the position is absolute, take is full, background is gradient to t, or to top, and then from the color is going to be slider color. Alt Z, then Alt Shift F to verify it, nothing changed. Now inside of here, we will have a p tag. The first one, the p tag is going to have class name equal to text is xs, font is semi-bold, for the text, align is left, and padding left is 2. For the text is going to be item.title. Let's duplicate it one more time. For the second one is going to be category, and then I will copy the category, and then as it's here, this is going to be year, and then the last one is going to be limit. After the padding, after the p tag for the category, I will duplicate the title one more time, and this one is going to be item is the description dot length is greater than 10. So this was substring cutting description, some kind of thing. So this was used for cutting the description. So if the description is too long, it will cut it and then make it shorter. It will, if the description length is greater than 10, so it will item description, it will substring it 0.80 and then plus dot dot dot. But if it's not, or if the description is not that long, it will just show the full version of the direction. After that, we will have p tag with a class name, same like others in here. I'm going to copy the class name here. And then for the item, for for this one is going to be duration. And the last one is going to be the button class name equal to background is transparent. For the rounded is mg, for the rounded is small. For the margin x is 1, margin bottom is 1, margin top is 1, padding is 1, and when it's hover, it will have background white /20. And for the text, it's just going to be p and then class name equal to font normal and then text left is plus watch list. Let's save it and let's see if I click one of this movie. We got the trailer of the movie, but I think the text is a little bit too big, and also in here, but in here we got it a little bit more small. Let's see inside of the movie list item. Here, let me see for the text. Oh, it was 10 pixel. It is not text XS. It will be 10 pixel. And for the add to watch list, it's going to be text is going to be 15 pixel. Let's save it and let's see here. If I click the and hover the trailer, so it was a little bit too big, still too big. But if we delete the margin top and then save, refresh, let's see here, we got the watch list. But I think instead of semi-bold, I will just make it medium maybe. Save, and now let's see. Let's try to do the documentation of Tailwind CSS. So inside of this documentation, I'm going to search for font size. And let's see, oh no, not font size, but font weight. Let me see here, we got the like, extra like. Maybe we will use the like one. Like, save, and now let's see here. Refresh and hover through it. We still got. What about we set the leading? Search for leading. A leading, isn't it? Let me see the movie list item here. Find height, this one. This is leading normal. Relax, loose. So I want maybe the for none is 1. For normal is 1.5. What about leading 3? Let me set the description. Leading is 3. And let's go back over to this. There is like something is like not changing. Let me inspect, then see here. There's nothing changed. Oh yeah, we changed it instead of the movie list item. Let's just test it in the trailer item, because we already open up this tab. Refresh, and then see here we got a little bit more tidy, I mean neat. And then for the watch list, is going to be for normal, it's just going to be, let me see, for the phone wake, scroll up. After normal, it's going to be like, maybe use the like one, save, and then see here. Let's see, we got the watch list, but it is still big. Is this really the font size is 15 pixel? Yep, it is 15 pixel. Let's make it 13 or maybe 12. Save and see here. This is looking good, but we still didn't get all of the data. Maybe for the watch list is 10, and for the rest of this is going to be 6. Save it and see, and we get all of this, but it is looking still tiny. So maybe about 8. This is what we are talking about now. This is looking good. We can apply that style in here also, so that we can make it good. Let me see, for the text of this, for this rest is going to be 8 pixel, and for the font is not going to be semi bold, it will be like, and for the duration is just going to be normal. For the watch list is going to be like, and for the text is going to be 10 pixel. Let's save it, and also delete the margin top 2. Save and see how it looks. We got all of there, but except the title. Maybe we just have to scale up a little bit more. Instead of 125, maybe we can make it 150. But if we save it and see, refresh the website, and here hover through it, we still didn't got it. Oh yeah, and make the leading of the description is 3. Leading is 3. Save, and now let's see. I hover. There was like nothing changed. Leading is 3, right? For the description. Okay, and now let's apply also the same thing for the description inside of the movie list item. And here, instead of item, we are going to use movie. Save, and now let's see. If I hover through this, and now we can see all of the content here. But since this was overflow X scroll, I don't know what make this can be scrolled in a Y direction. In the movie list, what if I make upper flow Y scroll? What is going to happen if I make it like that? We get error. Let me inspect and see leading length. I didn't change anything else, right? Didn't we? Let me see, there's nothing error. Description, movie description. Let me see and inspect. This one said cannot reading property of undefined reading length. This error occurred in the movie list item. Maybe make it as a normal default description and refresh it again. We got the description. But I wonder why is that function is not working here. Movie description, like, right? Okay, it's working. But if I refresh it, it's not working. That was some tricky bug actually. Okay, so basically the error appear because when we refresh the website, it is the first big and when we refresh the website, that is the first time that we refresh the website, the data is still fetching, and this movie description link is going to get it, but it is not already loaded. So there's appearing some error codes, or maybe tell us the movie description is not available because yes it is. Yes, it is not available because there's not already loaded. Not already loaded. So we are going to make another if in here. I'm going to cut this one. This is going to be movie description. Check if the movie description is available, and then I will put this movie description link. So after this one is checking if the movie description is available, and it will run or show the movie description. Let's try it in here. Refresh the website, and if we refresh, now it is working fine. And also the description is already loaded. And also I set in here, I make the overflow y scroll. It gives us the same result as we used the overflow x. Well, I still didn't found the solution. Maybe if you found it, you can put it in the comment. You can comment out and tell me what is the problem here, because I still didn't found the solution for it. And also in the trailer item, in the what's.js x, I will comment out the console log, so then our console is going to be clear here. If I refresh and then open up my console here, we don't have any console log yet. But I still curious about this. You provide a checked prop on the form field without an on-change handle. This will render a read-only field. If you should mutable, you should use default checked, otherwise set either on change or read-only. But the error didn't tell me where's the error. Let me see. It didn't tell me where's the error come from. So yeah, I think I will just ignore it because it wasn't really effect to the website anyway. And I think that's it for this video. I hope you'll enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also turn on the notification. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.